welcome back to GK today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 30th of March 2022. So the series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. Which airline recently established a direct service between Indore and Jammu? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Indigo. So recently Indigo Airlines direct flight from Indore to Jammu was flagged off by Ministry of Civil Aviation, that is Jyoti Aditya Aim Sindhia, making it the 28th daily flight from Indore. Okay, so now question number 2. Which IT giant recently struck an arrangement with Adani Group to improve its IT operation? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Google Cloud. So recently the Adani Group announced a multi-year cloud-first partnership with Google Cloud to derive the next phase of digital innovation across its diversified business portfolio. So basically the strategic collaboration will tap each organization expertise across best-in-class infrastructure, technology and industry solution to modernize the Adani Group's IT operation at scale, Google Cloud. Okay, so now question number 3. The Indian Air Force introduced the feed cart in collaboration with which PSU? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is IOCL. So recently, Indian Air Force has collaborated with Indian Oil Corporation Limited to introduce a feed cart fuel on move for its verified fleet of vehicles. So according to an official statement from the Indian Air Force, this initiative provides a great shift in the logistic management of the fuel. Okay, so now question number 4. A report titled LOT or ICT standards from Smart City was written by. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Telecommunication Engineering Center. So recently, for a hassle-free role of 5G Service Secretary, that is Telecom, released 2 Telecommunication Engineering Center report. Name of 2 report as the rollout of small cell for 5G network by leveraging steel furniture, and the second name as ICT standard for smart cities. Okay, so now question number 5. Which Singapore-based e-commerce site recently announced the closure of its operation in the nation only 3 months after its launch? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Shopee. So recently, Singapore-based e-commerce platform Shopee has closed its operation in the country just 3 months after its launch. So basically, social commerce platform Shopee is existing Indian citing global market uncertainties less than 6 months after its launch in the country. This is despite the platform, which owned by the Singapore-based consumer internet company C Group, becoming one of the most downloading app on Android Play Store shortly after its launch. During its stint in India, beside the heat of C Group through the banning of Free Fire, Shopee had run into several hurdles. Earlier this year, an FIR was filed against the company in Lucknow, alleging duplicate products being delivered from the platform. Further, a complaint was also filed against Shopee with the Competition Commission of India for indulging in deep discounting. So, the antitrust body earlier this month dismissed the complaint. So Shopee has also faced opposition from group of local traders led by the Confederation of All India Traders, which has called for a ban of platform and has also written to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman alleging violation of India's FDI rules by the company. Okay, so now question number 6. Who was recently named President of Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Sumant Sinha. So recently Sumant Sinha, founder, chairman of CEO of Renew Power, one of the country's largest clean energy company, has taken over President of Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India. So Sinha, a successful first generation entrepreneur, replaces Vineet Agarwal, completing his distinguished tenure at Chamber. So Ajay Sinha, chairman and managing director of SpiceJet, India's second largest airline by the fleet size, is the new senior vice president of the Association Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India. Okay, so now question number 7. Who was appointed as a Tata Steel additional director and vice chairman? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Noel Nawal Tata. So recently, the Tata Steel has appointed Noel Nawal Tata a trustee on board of Sri Ratan Tata Trust and Sri Dorabji Tata Trust, its additional director, and designated him as the vice chairman. A decision in this regard was taken by the board of company at its meeting. Okay, so now question number 8. Which oil and gas firm received the prestigious Asian Oil and Gas Award for COVID management and new product for the year? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Indian Oil Corporation. So recently, Indian Oil won the prestigious Asian Oil and Gas Award for COVID management and new product for the year, which was organized by Singapore-based quarterly publication, that is Asian Power. Okay, so now question number 9. Who won the Excellence Award in OTM Mumbai recently? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Maharashtra Tourism. So recently, Maharashtra Tourism won the Excellence Award in OTM Mumbai, an excellent award presented to Kenya Tourism Board, who were adjudged the winner of the Best Decoration Award at the OTM. Okay, so now last question. Which financial institution has stated that it has signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Meghalaya, that is Meghalaya Infrastructure Development and Finance Corporation Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is SIDBI. So recently, the Small Industry Development Bank of India, a financial institution for micro, small and medium enterprises, announced that it has signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Meghalaya, that is Meghalaya Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation, to develop the state MSME ecosystem. Okay.